Dear students, we were discussing this air pollution. Now, today we will proceed further. We will discuss the effect of effect of air pollution on climate. हमने प्लांट्स का भी पढ़ा, हमने एनिमल्स का भी पढ़ा, हमने ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का पढ़ा, लेकिन टुडे वी विल डिस्कस थोड़ा बहुत इसको इलाबोरेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. हाउ डज दिस एयर पोल्यूशन इट इफेक्ट्स द क्लाइमेट. In our atmosphere we have got these dust, we have got smoke, we have got fly ash. All these are suspended particles या other suspended particulate matter जो है they what is the वो क्या करते हैं, these dust particles are these what we call as the particulate matter or this smoke or this fly ash, they reduce the visibility, this dust, this smoke, this fly ash or other suspended particulate matter, they reduce the visibility. Now अब जो ये particulate matter जो है they mainly in the stratosphere, particulate matter जो which are present in the stratosphere, they change the thermal budgets, they change the particulate matter mostly in the stratosphere, they change the thermal budgets of the atmosphere and they decrease the atmospheric temperature. So what happens? First, dust, smoke, flash and other particulate matter, they reduce the visibility in the atmosphere. Now particulate matter which are present in the stratosphere, they change the thermal budgets, of the atmosphere and thus decreases the atmospheric temperature. Sulfur dioxide, we have got these aerosols, like अगर हम aerosols की बात करें, we have got some aerosol. For example, we have got sulfuric acid mist, and number first sulfuric acid mist, we have got ammonium sulfate mist, etc. We have got some aerosols like sulfuric acid mist, we have got ammonium sulfate mist, water vapors. They also influence the vertical, they also influence the vertical temperature profile in the atmosphere. Some aerosols like sulfuric acid mist या हम कहेंगे ammonium sulfate mist, what did they do? They influence the vertical temperature profile in the atmosphere. उससे क्या हो जाती है? It affects the thermal mixing. जिससे क्या हो जाता है? Which leads to greenhouse effect, वो चला जाता है. या उनकी दूसरी हमारे पास है, that is the ozone depletion हो जाता है by this thermal mixing. It affects the thermal mixing and it also leads to this vertical temperature profile में, it also leads to greenhouse effect, it also leads to ozone depletion. Now We know that ओजोन जो है, अगर हम ओजोन की बात करेंगे, this ozone, it acts as oxidant. Ozone, which is present in the atmosphere, it acts as an oxidant and it damages the monuments. For example, it damages the marble statues, it damages the surfaces of heritage, it damages the surfaces of the heritage buildings. Now, due to the continuous, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे CFCs, due to the continuous emission of CFCs in the atmosphere, it leads to the hole in the ozone shield. Now, जो विद द एक्शन ऑफ दिस CFC, जो हमारा ओजोन है, इट स्टार्ट थिनिंग, ये थिन होता जा रहा है, इट स्टार्ट थिनिंग, एंड व्हाट वी विल सी, थिनिंग ऑफ दिस ओजोन शील्ड जो होता है, इट विल अलो, इससे क्या हो जाता है, इट विल अलो शॉर्टर, इट विल अलो हाई एनर्जेटिक, शॉर्टर एंड हाई energetic ultraviolet radiations in the atmosphere to reach to the surface of the earth and cause extensive damage to the plants and cause extensive damage to the animals and cause extensive damage even to the human beings. अब इस एयर पोल्यूशन से क्या हो जाता है, it may lead to the reduction in rainfall, it may lead to the reduction in the rainfall, it may also cause the chances of drought like situations, chances of, it increases the chances of drought like situations, रखा याद, एंड उससे क्या हो जाए, चांस ऑफ ड्रॉट बाय अ प्रोसेस जिसको हम बोलते हैं टेली कनेक्शन, in which the short-lived aerosols alter the physics of cloud formation and reduce rainfall. So this was all about this effect of air pollution on climate. In the next video, we will proceed further. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.